Hi there guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. Today I'm going to show you how to change the spark plug on a 2015 Piaggio Fly 150e. Fairly simple to do. I'm actually upgrading to the Iridium spark plugs. This is NGK, a brand that I tend to stick with. Model number is CR7EIX, and we'll compare that to the old spark plug that comes out the bike. You're only really going to need two tools, well, two tools plus a ratchet handle. So one of the tools is a 16mm spark plug remover, not the larger 21mm, and a T25 Torx bit. Now there's two screws, one here, one just on the other side. Remove those and that will allow you to get that panel off. Okay, so once those screws are undone, you want to get a finger in each of the grills and just pull the panel forward. Comes off just like that. Now make sure you haven't run the scooter in a while so the engine's nice and cold. Don't want to burn yourself. So just here, you'll see the top of the HT lead. So you're going to need to get two hands in there. Just pop that off like that. Push that back. Then we're actually going to put our spark plug remover straight on top there. So first off, get your spark plug remover, get that in the hole. Push it down until the spark plug sits on the rubber. Get the extension bar, pop that in, ratchet on the end, and undo. Should undo fairly easy. They've got quite a long thread on them, so you might be turning it for a while. And there you go, that's your spark plug out. So again, this is an NGK-R, but it's the CR7EB. And the new one is the CR7E, but it's the IX for the Iridium. Just to compare the two, make sure the threads are the same length. Obviously noting that the washer won't have compressed just yet. And make sure you've got the same connection on the top. Just to compare the two. Actually looks like the original one's pretty worn. There's a lot of coking around the top and it actually looks like the gap is too wide. Whereas the Iridium has a lot thinner point at the top. And it's a lot closer gap as well. So same bit in reverse to put in. I would suggest putting the spark plug in the holder first and then putting that in and turning it by hand. And you should be able to get that in a fair way before you need the extension bar or ratchet. Okay, that's sitting now. Now you just want to do it up tight. Don't hold at the end of the handle, you don't want to strip the thread. Hold back midway down. Just feel that washer compressing now. And that's it. This can sometimes be tricky to get the spark plug off. And then just retrieve your HT lead. Pop that back over. Push on, make sure it's fully seated. Get ready back with your panel. Line up with screws. Round to the other side. Don't need to get these up super tight, finger tight's good enough. And now for the moment of truth. Perfect. Okay, so thanks for watching my video. If you found it helpful, please give me the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.